It's that time of year again. In order to maximize efficiency, many large companies in the industrial sector schedule plant turnarounds during holiday seasons. During this time, businesses conduct critical maintenance, renovations, and strategic upgrades to equipment and system repairs. Making the most out of plant shutdowns is the key to smooth year-round operations. Deploying temporary power distribution is an effective solution for streamlining plant turnarounds, as the systems can reduce delays and minimize cost overruns. Such units enable operators to actively extend power to out-of-reach equipment and convert existing power sources to suit the needs of various turnaround projects at the site. Larson Electronics offers a wide range of portable power distribution stations for plant shutdowns. For establishments looking to complete turnarounds during the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday, we encourage ordering our temporary power distribution units today. As a leading manufacturer of portable power distribution products, we offer the following: units with 7.5 kVA to 150 kVA or higher capacities, single and three-phase transformers, 120 volt, 208 volt, 240 volt, 480 volt, and 600 volt, NEMA 3R or NEMA 4X rated MCB and MLO panels, several primary and secondary circuit breakers and receptacle configurations, portable systems mounted on dolly carts, cube frames, skids, and more, explosion-proof power distribution for combustible sites and hazardous locations, power distribution accessories and replacement parts, and custom power distribution builds for special project requirements. Visit Larson Electronics today to choose your portable power distribution station for your next plant turnaround. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.